Hi, my name is Brittany Whittemore, and I am the preschool teacher at All Saints STEAM Academy. In the preschool program, you can expect lots of exploration through play. We focus on letter recognition, counting, social development, and of course, being a STEAM school, we do a lot of science, technology, such as coding on iPads, engineering, arts, and mathematics. One thing that makes All Saints preschool program really stand out is our school's specials. We have Spanish, computer coding, music, art, physical education, all at the preschool level. We also pride ourselves on incorporating our religious components into everyday lessons. So far, one of my favorite lessons to do with the kiddos is our Lego City. It's an engineering design process where we research, imagine, plan, design, test, and improve all through collaboration to make a beautiful Lego school.